Hey guys, Tarek with Cyclone FPV. It is about 6 o'clock on Saturday, April 25th, right? And so we received 7 packages from our location out there in China. Our employees are kicking butt for us. I want to thank them very much for their hard work. Anyway, so we got some awesome stuff in here. And so I'm about to cut this open without even showing you. So we have a new frame that I'm about to put together here. And it's the reason I'm showing you this frame is I got these. Let me see if I can do this right. Hold on. Bam, bam, bam. There we go. All right. So the idea behind this was I picked up these frames, and we're going to do a huge. Holy cow! Everything's just blipping. I'm going to do a huge promo on these right now. Okay. So right now I'm going to just take the frame out and show you guys what it is, and then I'm going to come back and show you the promo with the hardware that we're going to use to make these awesome. Okay. So here it is. They came awesomely, perfectly done for us. And here we go. So let me just get the cameras ready here and let's see what we got. Okay, so this is our FPV. This is the FPV racing frame that we had sent to us here. And this table was a little more clean. I apologize. I have to clean up. I've had a lot of work coming back and forth. Great. It's a very simple frame, and I love it. This is gonna be great. Very light, very strong. All right, so here we go. Let's just cut this open. Everything's vacuum sealed for us. So, pretty cool. Let's get this open. All right, let's toss that. Lay these out right here. Just inspecting it to check it out, make sure. All right. Okay. And then we've got our sets of screws here. And then we've got our additional components here. And then we've got our plates. So let's get to it and see what we're going to do. Okay. Should be a pretty simple build. Should be very light and very strong. So let's get the calipers out and do a measurement. Right. So first thing we have, we'll set it to 0. All right. So we'll take arm thickness at almost 5 millimeters, about 4.8 millimeters on arm thickness. Let's see consistency here. So, okay, so they were going for 5. So let me just check and make sure we're at around the motors. 4.8 to 4.95, about 4.7. And let's see around here about 4.85. Okay. So arm thickness between 4.75 and 5 millimeters. So we'll take that. That's perfect for what we're looking for. I mean, you hope to always get them as close as possible. But when arms are cut, if they're cut from multiple pieces, then you're going to always have a variation there. So as long as it stays within our fault tolerance, or within our tolerance, we're happy. And this is definitely going to be fine. All right, so let's check out the plate here. It should be close to 2 millimeters, and it is at 1.97. And then the bottom plate at about 3 millimeters. Okay, so everything is put in place here. So let's just go ahead, and I like this part too. Let's go ahead and see what we're working with here, guys. So you'll get your instructions, and you've got your other pieces, your standoffs and screws. So it looks like what we have here are 6, 10, and maybe 14. I don't know. Let me see. I'm curious to see. 6, 10, maybe 14. That's my guess. So let's see. When you count thousands of screws a week, you start being able to tell them pretty quickly. So let's get those put aside, and let's get our standoffs out. And just so we can measure our standoffs to see where we're at on these, our standoffs are at about 25 millimeters on standoffs, okay? All right, now that does it for the calipers. So let's go ahead now and just assemble the frame. And we will go as follows. Flight controller would come here. You can go with a 2020 stack as well. And I'm going to just assemble this. I was going to put a flight controller in here. You know what? I may just do that. Let me see. What do I want to put? No, we'll do it with the build. We'll do it with the build, and we'll save this for when we do the build and not mess it with this. Okay, so now let me check this out. So we are going to go this route here. And my guess will be, if I lay this over, I have to make sure I put this the right way. Perfect. Okay. So standoffs will go here, and that will work out fine. All right. So let me get the arms ready, and I want to see how these arms are laid out. So we're going to put the I don't know if that's really gonna matter much, but I'm just gonna check anyway. So we're gonna put the arms like this, and I'm just gonna verify. All right, so we'll take the 8mm. Sorry, it's the first time to build them. I mean, I definitely, I selected the design. I like the product. I like the price point. Everything about it made it affordable and it made it durable. But now the test comes to actually build it. And I guess what I'm curious about, no, it makes sense. I see the way they've angled this makes sense. Okay, so we'll go 1 and 2. So over the other one. Let's put this in place here. It's actually pretty good because these arms, even with one screw, the movement on it when it's tight will be very minimal. All right, second setup. We'll go this way. So put the next one here. This is very simple, very easy build, guys, but very strong. And that's what I'm really excited about, is that, you know, this should be pretty durable. Go ahead and place this one here and this one here. Okay, and then we will take one, two, okay. Three and 4. Now, before I get too far ahead of myself, let me see what I've got here. Okay. Well, I'm assuming that they made it to go down here, but it's not going to fit. Let me see how it would do this. Oh, it might actually. Well, you know, given the way it is, yeah, we could do a bottom mount, but you'd have to be pretty creative here. So I think what I'm going to do for this is I'm just going to say, all right, I'm going to cut this piece, and then I'll cut this piece here, right? Put this in the center as best as I can, or maybe just this way. Let's see. Oh, so let me cut a little bit more like that, right? Just to make it fit properly here. And then what I can do is put the piece I cut up here, I think. So let me cut this off. All right, and then we'll do the next one. Well, that works. I'll take that. That's no problem at all. So we've got our battery and everything. So let's see how much the frame weighs. All right, so that's it. I mean, that's all there is to it. I want to thank TransTech for taking care of this for us. Appreciate you guys out there. I'm very, very happy with this frame and very excited to put our components on it. So I cannot tell you that this is going to be a right weight right now because I don't think we're on a regular server. I'm going to try to turn this and see if I can get a weight, but I will test the weight first. So let me see how I want to do. Oh yeah, there it is. Okay. So let me put this here. That's not going to work. Hold on. I'll use a Free Sky box as a flat surface, I guess. I'll zero that out. And let's check the, let's test the scale. 50 grams, I believe. So that's perfect. 50 grams. So now let's see what this weighs. Feels less. Ooh, no, it's not. Okay, 71 grams is the total weight. God, it's super light. I'm surprised it even weighs that much. It honestly feels less than that. Let me put it somewhere else just to verify now. I'll just put it on the bench that is not there just so I can lay it flat. Let me see. No, that's right. It's just 70 grams. All right, so there it is, guys. So this is going to be our new frame, one of the new ones, and we've got. I just received a few hundred of these in. So I'm going to put a huge deal together on these. Now, what component's going to go with them? I don't know yet. I'm going to try to figure that out, but it's going to be something awesome. Hopefully we can do a kit, a build, and stuff tonight, or within the next few days at least. Now I'm going to tighten this down because I want to see. All right. But let me see. So there'll be a link here, probably at the description. In the description, there'll be a link to this frame. Because I mean, literally, they just arrived, and I wanted to build it first so I could at least get that part done, and then we can get them inventoried, and the dogs can go crazy. All right, guys, so there it is. It's going to be an awesome frame. I'm really excited about this. Let me see if I can do it like that. Uh-oh, phone's ringing. Okay, so that's my brother. Hold on, please. Hey, let me call you right back, okay? Peace. Oh, there goes that. Okay. What is that? Okay. So there you go. So there's the frame right there, guys. It's extremely light. I mean, I know it's 71 grams, but it feels even lighter. But in either case, you can fit a 20 by 20 and a 30 by 30 stack on here. It is good to go. So look for this on the web. I am going to put a huge deal on these as a kit. So let's see if we can make something good happen, okay? If you have any questions, please head over to our website and use our contact page there. And then also please follow us on Facebook and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Outside of that, guys, peace, God bless, be safe, enjoy your family, spend time with them. You never know how much time you're going to get, so make the most of it. We will talk to you soon.